Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your brain power, improve focus, and stay mentally sharp all day, then today's video is for you. We're talking about CogniCare Pro, a powerful brain health supplement that's been getting a lot of attention lately. Before you make any decisions, let's go through what it does, how it works, the benefits, and a few important things you need to know before buying. CogniCare Pro is a natural nootropic supplement designed to enhance your overall cognitive performance. Whether you want sharper memory, better concentration, or more mental energy, this formula is made to support your brain from the inside out. It's packed with proven ingredients like Ginkgo Biloba and Bacopa Monnieri, which are known to improve mental clarity, boost circulation to the brain, and protect against fatigue. The benefits are impressive. It helps clear mental fog, sharpen focus, and improve memory retention. Many users also report a steady flow of mental energy without the jitters or crashes that come with caffeine. Plus, it supports mood balance by reducing stress and promoting calmness, which further improves your ability to think clearly and stay productive. Using CogniCare Pro is simple. Just take one capsule each morning with a glass of water. That's it. There's no complicated routine or multiple doses to remember. Over time, consistent use helps you stay focused, energized, and mentally sharp throughout the day. Now, does it really work? Based on user feedback and ingredient research, yes, it does. Many people have experienced noticeable improvements in focus, recall, and mental clarity. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a professional working long hours, or just someone who wants to maintain cognitive health, CogniCare Pro offers real support for your brain. However, before you buy, there are a few important reminders. Always purchase only from the official CogniCare Pro website, as counterfeit versions have been seen on other platforms. Also, check the ingredient list if you have allergies or sensitivities. And since this supplement is in high demand, it's often in limited stock, so don't wait too long if you plan to try it. Overall, if you're ready to give your brain the support it deserves, improving memory, focus, and mental energy, CogniCare Pro is a great choice. It's simple, effective, and backed by real results. Just be sure to grab it from the official website for guaranteed quality. The link is in the description below. Check it out and let your brain thank you later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and health tips. Stay sharp, everyone.